Hey guys, today I'm back with a really fun video in partnership with Sally Hansen. For the month of February, Sally Hansen and I want to emphasize how important self-love is by spending time on yourself and doing things that make you feel as beautiful as you are. For me, I love getting a fresh new manicure, but of course doing it myself because I'm a self-made beauty. Sally Hansen would be so proud to hear that. So starting off, I'm going to strengthen, and I'm using the brand new Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Vitamin Serum. And for real, this stuff is so cool, you guys. I love the applicator. It has a pump, so it's so easy to use. All you have to do is just put some on each nail and cuticle, and you just rub it in. What's amazing is that it delivers deep restorative strength with lasting protection for your nails and cuticles. The formula is also enriched with vitamins A, C, and E for energizing benefits. It's a really fast absorbing formula and it helps resist against damage and breaking, while the pink micro capsules are enriched with the vitamins that I just mentioned. So the formulation is non-sticky, lightweight, and silky, and you guys, it even smells good. You can use this every day, and it's safe to say I'm obsessed. Now it's my favorite part of mani time, and that is the color. I'm using the Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Polish collection, and you guys, this is aesthetics. First of all, I can't get over the packaging. It's so pretty, and the colors in this collection are just dreamy. They make me feel so relaxed. I couldn't pick one color, so I actually picked 3 for my manicure. I don't wanna miss a beat. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on and on. So like I said, this is Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Color, and it's actually color that cares while you wear. If you guys don't know, it has argan oil in its formula. So what that does is it fuses intensive nourishment and instant moisture for healthy looking nails. I'm obsessed with all types of oils, so this just makes you feel extra pampered just knowing how moisturizing and amazing the formula is. The first color I'm using is Sally Hansen Color Therapy in color Shavasana. This is like my favorite shade of baby pink ever. It's so milky and just beautiful. It seriously reminds me of a bubble bath. I also chose the Sally Hansen Color Therapy in color Pomegratitude. And lastly, I chose Sally Hansen Color Therapy in color Powder Room. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands. I just love the colors in this collection, and they have beautiful color and texture. One of my finishes is kind of like satin, another one is kind of pearlescent. I'm obsessed, you guys. So I painted 2 coats of polish on my nails, and now it's time to use the Sally Hansen Color Therapy top coat. I just want to do a quick little PSA. With how busy life is, it's so easy to forget to put time for the person who matters most. And guess what? That's you. This is just a reminder to love yourself and to do things that make you feel good and happy. Whether that be giving yourself a pretty new manicure like I love to do, or taking a bath, reading a book, anything that allows you to spend time on yourself. Because girl, you're awesome. So here is my completed mani, and I feel like a whole new woman with it. You guys, I'm gonna have all the products that I use linked in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!